Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you one of the rituals from the protection chapter in my book called the Lemon Balm Sweet Dreams Sleep Sachet. And this spell is going to be making a small sachet using all herbs that are relaxing, calming, and good for preventing nightmares. You will place this sleep sachet under your pillow or next to your bed as you fall asleep. The herbs contained in this blend will help you fall asleep, put you into a deep meditative state, and assure that you keep nightmares at bay. You're going to need a lavender, white, and a light blue candle. White candles are used for purification, cleansing, healing, peace, and repelling negative energies. And when you don't have any other kind of candle, you can always just substitute that with a single white candle. If you don't have all three of these, you can just use the white. Lavender candles are for intuition, spirituality and spiritual protection, astral travel, meditation, and psychic ability. And the light blue candles are for healing, harmony, peace, protection during sleep, and prophetic dreams. So we're going to be using all three of these today. You're also going to need a little purple bag, and this one I sewed up myself. So you just take 2 squares of fabric and you sew the side, the bottom, and then the other side, and a little bit on the top, and then you can leave a hole here where you can put the herbs. But if all you have is one of those little gauze purple bags you can get at maybe a New Age store or a craft store, those are perfect to use as well. For your first herb, you're going to start off with lavender, and always make sure to enchant it. And lavender in this sachet acts as both a protectant and as a calming energy. Lavender brings a sense of stability and soothes an overactive, irrational mind. Smelling it as you go to sleep calms your conscious mind so that any troubling or disturbing thoughts can drift away. It also helps you fall asleep with a peaceful, relaxed mindset. And this is a lot easier to do if you have one of those organza or gauze bags I mentioned earlier. I am making a mess here, but if you have a small funnel or something that you can use to put the herbs in here, that would probably be a lot easier. The next herb we're going to be adding is rosemary, and rosemary is a highly protective herb. When it's placed under your pillow, it is said to drive away nightmares and ensure a good night's sleep. Rosemary is often used for cleansing and purifying negative energies. So whether your dream stems from worry, over conscious thoughts, or a deeper subconscious issue, rosemary keeps you protected. Now we're going to be adding mugwort, and I grew this mugwort in my garden, but you can easily forage mugwort. It's a pretty common herb, or of course you could buy it dried from a local herb shop or something. And mugwort is well known for its dreamy, psychic properties. It can be smoked or drunk as a tea before divination or dream work of any kind. Placing mugwort under your pillow or next to the bed helps you achieve astral projection. It's considered to be a visionary herb, but it's also highly protective for yourself in any of your magical workings, or also it can be hung on your door or over your bed or anywhere in your home as a protective sort of charm for your home. Next, you're going to be wanting to add rose petals. And rose petals are not just for love rituals. Roses are also used for both healing and protection work. And to me, pink roses have a more gentle, healing type of energy, so I like to use them for the sachet over red or any other color. But if you had white roses, those would work really well also. And lore says that rosebud tea drunk before sleep can help you induce prophetic dreams. So if you're looking not only to keep nightmares at bay, but also to do some dream work beforehand, roses are the perfect herb to use for that. Now we'll be adding chamomile, and chamomile is one of my favorite herbs. It has such a gentle, calming energy, but it's also very powerful and effective at the same time. Chamomile is an essential component to any sleep sachet or any type of sleep spells or rituals that you're going to want to do. It also is great for mild stress and anxiety, as well as helping you fall asleep. It promotes a peaceful sleep and can also be used during meditation. So if you want to meditate before sleep or just throughout the day to calm your stress and anxiety, it works amazing for that. You can drink it as a tea or just smelling it, whether it's the essential oil or the herb, is great. The last herb we're going to be adding is lemon balm. And lemon balm is another wonderful herb for stress and tension. Its lemon qualities help you with an overactive mind without sedating you. It has an uplifting, positive energy. It mellows out any racing thoughts or negative thoughts you might be having before sleep and brings a peaceful, calm energy. For me, I would suggest growing your own lemon balm if you can. It's really easy to grow. It's in the mint family, so it spreads like wildfire, and it's basically indestructible. The store-bought lemon balm that you can get has not really much of an aroma. Even if you try rubbing it between your fingers, there's not much smell to it. So if you can grow your own and dry it yourself, it's going to retain a lot more of that lemony scent. And to me, it smells just like lemon Fruit Loops. It smells so good. So now that we have all the herbs in there, the last thing you're going to add is your amethyst chips, and you can use one bigger amethyst or 3 little ones like this. And of course, if you like magical numbers, you can use 5, 7, 13 chips, whatever you like. So we're going to enchant these. And you can also cleanse these with some sage or some lavender before you add them to your sachet as well. And this is the final sachet. I'm just going to sew this up really quick, but if you used another type of bag, just pull the drawstrings and you're done. So you're going to take your 3 candles and we're going to put them in a pyramid shape around the pouch. So if you have some healing oil that you've made from either my book or any other recipes you can find here on YouTube or online, or your own personal healing oil, here's a small bottle of one I have. This one has rosemary, bay, juniper, copal, lavender. I don't remember what else is in there, but this is a beautiful little healing oil. And if you have some, you can rub it and anoint your candles before you light it. Now just let your candles burn all the way down, and as you light them or after you light them, you can say these words aloud. Stars above, light my way through the shadows of my dreams. Keep me safe until the dawn, nothing can cause me harm. As I close my eyes to sleep, bring me peace and serenity. And that's it, guys. So once the candles have burned down, you can take the sachet and place it under your pillow or next to your bed right before you go to sleep.